Let's go alphabet, Jai. A is for
Apple.
B is for
Ball.
C is for
Cake.
D is for
Hole.
dog. E is for ang sabi na elephant. Elephant natin ang sound. F is for
Fish.
fish. G is for
Apple.
asa to na? H is for
Egg.
H. H is for
Horse.
horse. Very good. I is for
Apple.
ice cream. Very good. J is for
Two.
juice. K is for
Kite.
kite. Very good. L is for
Ball.
ano sa to na? Lullaby? Lollipop. Maka-understand ka niya, Rafa? Oh, M is for M is for
Monkey.
N is for
Lion.
noodles?
Logan.
Ah, okay. O is for
Orange.
orange. Very good. P is for
E.
P. P is for
E.
Agi? Unsay P? P is for
Man.
Q is for
Green.
queen. Very good. R is for
Double.
rainbow. Very good. S is for
Fire.
spider. Very good. Oy, T is for
Turtle.
tiger. Unsang sound sa tiger?
Oh.
Roar. Very good. U is for
Wawawa.
umbrella. V is for
Violin.
violin. Oh, ano ba yung violin? Very good. Oy. X is for
Fire.
X. X is for
Ripple.
xylophone. Very good. What? W is for
Fish.
whale. Y is for
Yo-yo.
yo-yo. Z is for
River.
zebra. Very good. Yay. Thank you, Jai.